Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the scores of a particular match on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on this more button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select a league or a sport from the all sports section or from your favorites. Tap on the relevant one and click on scores at the top of the screen. Here you can see all of the matches, so tap on the relevant one, and in a few seconds you will be able to check out the game cast, as you can see at the top. So here you can check out the hitters and the scores as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.